guys, Antoinette here. So this is what the tutorial is about today. We are going to be making this beach cover up, and I wanted to bring this to you guys like this to just let you know how simple and easy this is going to be. I wanted it to be so easy where you can crank these out. I mean, it is summertime. We need to be at the beach, and this is the perfect cover up. So this is just 2 panels, you guys. So my first panel, well, my first and second, I made mine 58 inches long. And you can see, there you go. It's just one long panel. And I made it 58 inches long. And what we're going to do is we're just going to seam things up. So as you can probably see on my mannequin, you can see the sleeve, which is right here. And then let me bring it over a little bit. And we're just going to seam up the sides to where we want our sleeve to be. So if you want yours like a little bit more open, you know, that is so customizable, and you can do yours like that. The front part, I am going to stop mine probably right here, and then I'm going to seam down all the way down, and I'm going to do the front and the back the same way, and then the other side. Guys, that is so easy, right? So we can crank these out in any color that we want, make them for a friend, and keep moving. So now this beautiful stitch, this open stitch right here, let me show you guys how to make it. So let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, you guys, so the stitch that I used on my beach cover is the V-stitch, which you can see right here. And let me show you how I made it a little bit more open. So I already chained 20, and so now let me show you how I just make that a little open, for the beach. That's what I really wanted, because usually a V-stitch, they're usually together. There's a little opening with the V, but there is never like on the side like I have right here. So let me show you what I did. So I chained 20 already. And so now we are going to, well, I am going to double crochet in the second chain from the hook. So you're going to do a double crochet. Right, and then we're going to chain 1, and then I'm going to skip the next chain, and then I am going to put a double crochet in the next chain. Okay, it's my double crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to do that the whole way down the row. I'm going to double crochet, I'm going to skip a chain, and then I'm going to double crochet in the next chain. Okay, chain 1, skip a chain, and then we're going to double crochet. Let me see, a skip and then a double crochet, go through 2, chain 1. And what we're doing, guys, we are creating that chain 1 space in our work. Okay, and so skip 1. Okay, so I am thinking that you guys got it. Well, I'll do one more for you. We're going to double crochet, so we're going to skip a chain, and then we're going to double crochet in the next one. Right, okay. And then chain 1, and then we create our spaces. So now when you get to the end, you're going to turn your work. I'm going to act like I'm at the end. I already did my chain 1 here, And so I'm going to turn my work. And so now what I'm going to do in the chain 1 space, I am going to put the V-stitch, okay, which is a double crochet in that space, chain 1, and then a double crochet in the same space. Get some yarn there. And now this is what makes it more spacious when you're doing it, and that's all it is adding that chain 1 after you've done your last your double crochet in your V-stitch, right? So we're going to double crochet into that next chain 1 space. We're going to chain 1 and then another double crochet in that space and then chain 1. And that's what's going to give you your openness. So I'm going to go and finish double crochet. We'll do this. Chain 1, double crochet, and then chain 1. And you will do that all the way in, with your panels in your chain 1 spaces. And we can crank these out really fast, you guys. Let me get some yarn. We can crank them out. We can get them gone. My panels are 18 inches wide. I'm going to open this one up for you. Let me just do this last one. So it is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and chain 1. And that's what that is, guys. That's what this is. How beautiful is this, right? How beautiful. And so this, what you see right here, is a variegated, and my panels, I made them 18 inches wide, which is 60 stitches, and it is 62 inches long. So you can make yours as long as you like, as short as you like. You guys have fun with this. I know this is my second one that I am making myself. I am truly going to be ready when I get out there on that beach. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you guys on the next one.